Hi friends, till now you saw the various sections of the bedroom makeover in my various videos. But one thing which I've left out till now is the storage solutions provided in the room. So I would like to show that in this video, as well as a few other miscellaneous things to complete the makeover of this bedroom. So let's see. So if you remember, my very first video of this series was the Malm Ottoman bed, in which I had shown you the storage space and I said I'll be explaining it later. This is it. You can see it has got a humongous amount of space here underneath. Look at the depth and the width. That so many things can be placed here. I've kept so many suitcases there and storage boxes and different types of storage solutions. You can see with zip, open ones, closed ones, where I've kept traditional bed sheets and pillow covers. I've stored away all the unwanted winter wear and extra bed sheets and so many other things placed here. So it's got so much space that it is perfect for my needs. So after the storage under the bed, I would like to show a few more places where we have been provided with storage solutions. It's this place here, this whole space here, and behind the bed, which I'll explain now. So earlier our bed section was on the opposite side of the room. So now they have shifted it here. Now it is placed here in this side. So we didn't want the bed to be close to the wall. We wanted a gap. And IKEA team helped us in making use of this gap as a storage place by way of providing 3 shelves, wooden racks actually, and also providing different storage boxes, bamboo box and plastic boxes, Variera boxes, in which we can keep some things which are not required on a regular basis. So they are hidden actually. This side you can see 2 of them. The other side also there are 2. In the bottom 2 racks remain hidden. So I'm able to store things that I do not need often. The Variera bamboo box and the plastic box helps me organize the things neatly, like cable extension boxes, in which we have the various charging points and other things that can be used. They are neatly tucked away behind the bed. And on the top rack, clock has been provided, and photo frame and other things, and also a lampshade. So this Variera bamboo box has got a handle, so with which it can be lifted and taken out easily. So this extension box is neatly kept inside the bamboo box behind in the second shelf. So here we got points for charging point for our mobile and iPad and other things, and extra sockets for various things, because the main plug unit is behind this, and that is the reason this place has been covered with this slip sheet, which is matching with our bed sheet on the mattress. So this is mainly for giving a neat look, and also to cover the various plug points and the stabilizer behind and which is in the wall. So since we had a lot of storage needs, Team IKEA helped us use this wall space in providing storage solutions by way of these IKEA cabinets. You can see there are different colors: grey, yellow, it's called actually golden brown, and white. This is a door actually, and also some plastic see-through containers in which you can keep things and easily accessible, and some more boxes, Variera boxes, which also has got I'm using it for keeping medicines and other things. That's the beauty about IKEA, that not even a single space, wall space or floor space or anywhere is being wasted, because they have solutions for all our requirements by way of various products of theirs, which are very useful and which can be customized to our needs. So this is Mulik, another IKEA product, which is a clothes hanging rod. As you can see, this we had it earlier itself, and it was in another part of the room. So this has been fitted here because this place is apt for this. This is mainly for hanging clothes, even regular freshly ironed clothes, as well as ones which we have worn once or twice for airing, which has been kept for airing. I've even hung a handbag here, which I use regularly. So this is perfect in this place. Again, white color matching the decor. So this is Resortorp trolley, white color. You can see it's got 3 layers, and each tray is of different size. small, medium and large size, and it has got caster wheels by which it can be moved here and there. So this is in place of side table, so it is very flexible and can be moved around anywhere, in which in this I can place anything like my books, even water bottle I keep sometimes. I've got my headphones and other things here, and I also use this place. This also matches with the decor of this room, and I keep my iPad here, in which I watch my shows and TV and everything in the night time. So it is convenient for me to keep like this, and I can lie down and watch. And I'm not using it, I just put it in the bottom rack is quite spacious. You can even shift it like this and keep it in a corner. So this is very lovely, though it's a multi-purpose tray. Here it's been given as a side table. So next is the wardrobe, which I have not mentioned in any of my videos earlier. We already had a wardrobe here, wooden wardrobe. So the paint, it was painted grey to suit the decor of this room, and the handles were replaced, and nothing has been changed inside except that some mirrors are provided on both the side of the inside of the doors, and some storage boxes. There were 2 drawers here, pull-out drawers, but because it's an old wardrobe, we always used to find it difficult to pull out the drawers, so we have removed them, and wherever possible we have kept some storage boxes, IKEA storage boxes, to keep various things, my daily use things, all kept here neatly arranged. So that's it about it. And one more here. Here again you can see mirrors placed here, and some lovely storage boxes. So now that I have shown the various storage solutions, I'll show various other things added to this room to complement the color scheme of the room, which is actually white and grey with yellow and a tinge of pink here and there. So firstly, I'll show you the curtains. So this first layer of curtain, the white transparent curtain, blocks minimum amount of light, giving a cozy feel inside the room, and reducing the effect of sunlight, at the same time giving you some light. And if you draw these curtains, the darker one, it makes it not only makes the room warm and cozy, but also reduces more light coming inside the room. That is when you want to have an afternoon nap or something and make the room dark. So use this one, and it also protects from wind and makes it warmer. And finally the last one, which goes with the decor of the room. So these are the 3 layered curtains replaced from our original single layered curtain, as you can see that side as well. So basically the color scheme of this room is white and grey and yellow, with a tinge of pink here and there. As you can see in the corner, used as a border for this picture frames holding our family memories. And next to it you can see a beautiful wooden clock made of birch. So it's kept at an ideal place so that we can see the time while we are lying down from the bed. And here too you can see the pink outline for these picture frames, some more picture frames for the photographs in the ribba frames, and below that you can see the hooks for the keychains, an ideal way of using the wall space. So to go with the color scheme, you can see 2 grey color rugs placed on either side of the bed, and this long rectangular rug, yellow color, in the remaining part of the bedroom. That also matches with this color scheme. To complete the decor, the highlight of this room is the candles and the potted plants placed at every corner of the room. Isn't it beautiful? Friends, have you had any problem hanging wet towels in your household? I had this problem always. My husband and kids always used to throw wet towels on the bed. On the bed. And this was always irritating me. I really had to find a solution to this. And guess what? IKEA had a perfect solution for this. And I'm going to show you that now. You see, this looks like a ladder, but it isn't. It is actually a towel stand called Vilto, made of solid wood, and it has got 4 shelves, and this is perfect for my towels. It looks neat and organized, and there are 4 shelves in which all the towels and hand towels can be hung. And because it can't stand on its own, it has to be kept leaning on the wall, and we found a perfect place for this here. Isn't it beautiful? And the perfect solution for my problem. So friends, hope you liked this bedroom makeover and the various videos in this series. Please watch all the videos, and in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I'm going to come out with some more interesting videos in future, so please keep watching. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to add, please stay home, stay safe in this difficult times, take care of yourself and your family. Thank you, and bye bye till my next video.